So now in this section we will see the industry examples of big data analytics. Actually, big data involves the data that is produced by different devices and applications. And in this section we will see the various business or we can say big data application examples, which will help us to understand that why the big data is used and where it is used so widely. So, starting with the smart healthcare, actually, we should say that improving the healthcare and public health is the biggest example of industry uses of big data analytics. Because the computing power of big data and analytics enables us to decode the entire DNA strings in minutes, and it allows us to find a new cures and better understand the predict disease patterns. In fact, we can think that how the individual data from smartwatches and wearable devices can be used to apply it to millions of people, and we can find out their diseases from that. The clinical trials of the future won't be limited by small sample size, but they are applicable to each and everyone. Means we can say that the big data techniques are already being used to monitor the breathing pattern of every baby, and they are predicting the infections 24 hours before any physical symptom can appear. So we can see that the team can intervene early and save fragile and predict the development of the disease outbreaks. And integrating the data from medical records with social media analytics enables us to monitor the outbreaks in real time system. So that's why it improved the healthcare and public health, and the smart healthcare is one of the biggest example. Then the next we can say is the homeland security. Homeland security means we can say that we are using the particular security purposes devices like CCTV and so on. So all this comes under this homeland security. Then traffic analysis, traffic control, as now the driverless cars are there in the era, so for that purpose also big data analytics is used. Manufacturing, in all the biggest industries, for the manufacturing purpose the various types of data is there, and that's why the biggest example is of big data analytics is manufacturing. Multi-channel sales for online sales, for the super shops, telecom industry, trading analytics. Search quality is for searching in detail. Now we will see that in detail. Before that, I want to explore our focus on one of the biggest example, that is fraud detection. Every day we are going through the various transaction processing, and the fraud detection is one of the most compelling big data application examples. Actually, fraud detection has proven as a goal, because in most cases fraud is discovered long after the fact that the damage is already done. So to minimize the harm and adjust the policies, big data are using for analyzing the claims and transactions in real time, and they are determining the anomalous behavior not from all the people but also from an individual user, and because of that the fraud detection or game can be changed. Then comes the IT log analytics, IT solutions and IT department. So these are the enormous quantity of logs and trace data. In the absence of big data solution, actually their data got unexamined. Means organizations simply don't have the manpower or resources to churn through the all the information. So the big data solution in place have the logs and traces, and they are good enough now to have the log analytics. Any organization with a large IT department will benefit from the ability to identify the large scale patterns. Then comes the call center analytics, that is telecom, we can say multi-channel sales. This now turn into the customer facing big data application example, because call center analytics are very powerful. They are having great barometer and influencer of we can say they are the influencer of market sentiments. But without a big data solution, much of the insight that a call center can provide or discovered is too late. So big data solutions can help to identify the problems or customer or their behavior pattern. Then the most important is social media analysis. Big data application examples discusses analyze the social media activity, which is very important. Everyone, and in fact we can say everyone's family, is using this social media every day. They are linking themselves with the company pages of Facebook, Twitter. A big data solution built to harvest and analyze the social media activity, like IBM Cognos Consumer Insights. The point of running these platforms are making the sense of the chatter, means they are providing the real time insights how the market is responding to the products and their campaigning. So companies can adjust their pricing, promotion and campaign placement for these optimal results. So these are some we can say industry examples of big data analytics, like trading analytics, stock exchange data is there, power grid data where the data holds information of the particular node, meteorological transport data, search engine data, that is search quality. They are retrieving lots of data from their database, financial services, advertising and marketing, insurance companies, web based businesses are there. So all that comes under the big data analytics industry examples. Like we can take example of cloud as well, customization is there. All these things comes under the big data analytics examples. So these were the various areas and examples of industry where big data can be used. Now in the next section we will see that we have seen these examples. So we can say 99% industries are having big data. So if they are using the big data, definitely there are some risks, and how they can be prevented, all that we will see in our next section. Thank you.